In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a subtask in Smartsheet. Subtasks are a great way to break larger tasks into smaller, more manageable pieces. And in Smartsheet, this is done by creating a visual hierarchy between rows. In this walkthrough, I'll show you a simple drag and drop method that keeps your sheet organized and easy to read. First, start by locating the row that you want to turn into a subtask. This will be the item that sits under a larger parent task. On the far left side of the sheet, you'll see the row number. As you hover your mouse over that area, a small drag handle appears. It usually looks like a tiny square or set of dots. Click and hold that drag handle to select the entire row. This ensures that when you move it, all of the row's content goes with it, including attachments, comments, and cell data. Next, while still holding down your mouse button, drag this row so that it sits directly underneath the task you want to make the parent. Take your time here, especially if your sheet is long or has many sections. You want the future subtask to be immediately below the parent task, with no blank rows or unrelated tasks in between. When you see the highlight line appear in the correct spot, release the mouse to drop the row into place. Now that the row is positioned under the correct parent, you're ready to turn it into a subtask by changing its level in the hierarchy. Click anywhere in that row to make sure it's selected. Then, right-click to open the context menu. From the list of options that appears, look for the one labeled Indent. Go ahead and select Indent. As soon as you do, you'll notice that the row shifts slightly to the right. This visual shift indicates that the row is now a child of the task above it, which is considered the parent. In many Smartsheet setups, you'll also see the parent row gain, expand, and collapse controls, allowing you to show or hide all of its subtasks as needed. If the row doesn't appear where you expect, you can always outdent it or drag and drop it again until it's in the correct place. With this simple process of selecting, moving, and indenting, you can quickly build a clear task structure that makes your Smartsheet projects easier to manage and understand.